stop bitching.
Shit, you fixing to kill us?
You won't feel a thing, bro. You're in the death seat.
Oh, my God.
Kenpeck, motherfucker, I didn't hear you offer to use your car.
My car? You ain't tearing up my new car, nigga. No, no. Damn, you an unclean motherfucker.
What?
You smell like piss.
Hey, nigga, I ain't no slob.
Hey, ain't nobody calling you a slob. You just a foul-smelling nigga.
Jerry, how come your old lady don't like me?
Hey, now, Chuck, you gotta understand. Hey, she's a middle-class broad.
Hey, what's your problem, mister?
Round up the staff, Judge Advocate.
Nah, we don't round up nobody around here.
Sure you do. Court-certified copy of bail bond and authorization to surrender on a pervert named Garrity. Go play with yourself, redneck.
Come here, what you doing?
Shit, I need a new tire.
New tire?
Left rear, goddammit. Hit the left rear.
Dave, if only you'd listen.
Now, what the hell was I supposed to do? Let them drive on through like they own the place?
No, you don't let them drive on through, but if you just let me call the major.
We did what we were supposed to do. We stopped them now, didn't we?
Damn, Chuck, did you have to beat him so bad?
He had it coming. Hey.
You know my name?
I'm sorry I'm late, but I had to cancel a check.
Shh. Could have brought me some flowers.
I got some beer.
Do business.
Cut that act, bitch. Before you get that piece out, your ass is air conditioned.
Chuck Turner, you ain't gonna kill no woman.
Oh, shit.
Hey, you mad?
What the hell do you think?
Well, look what I did. I did it for you.
Turner's ass ain't even scratched.
You ought to be laying eggs instead of running horse, Snow.
Oh, goddamn. Give it up, Mama. Hell, there's a much better way.
Hey, Mama.
What is it?
Luke, he's here.
Well, send him out here and you get back in the house.
Hit him so low.
Split, bitch.
Look, you're getting into shit ankle deep. You're gonna trip and fall, and when you do, I'm not gonna hardly be there.
That's your choice, nigga.